head of the hammer is filled with metal pellets, which absorb the energy upon impact, resulting in a controlled and powerful strike. The head is made of a soft material, which reduces the risk of damaging the surface you're working on. It can be used in various applications, such as automotive repairs, woodworking, metalworking, and even for household projects. The 49 ounces Deadblow hammer is designed with a comfortable grip that minimizes hand fatigue and provides a secure hold. Its unique design, non-marring properties, and versatility make it a must-have for any toolbox.